Today, let's take a tour of Beach Club Resort at Walt Disney World. Beach Club Resort is a deluxe resort in the Epcot area of Walt Disney World, located just outside the International Gateway entrance to Epcot. It is a New England-style resort with casual elegance and the sister of the more formal Yacht Club Resort. In fact, this resort is located right next to and is connected to Yacht Club Resort, with the two sharing some amenities. Both resorts are located along Crescent Lake, as well as the Swan and Dolphin resorts and the Boardwalk area, including the Boardwalk Inn. As you enter the beach club, you'll immediately notice the amazing smell of the lobby area with themed seating and decor throughout the space. The front desk area is located here, as well as bell services if you need them to hold your luggage on check-in or check-out days. Just off the lobby, you'll find some dining options, including Cape May Cafe, which is a character meal for breakfast, and seafood buffet for dinner. Beaches and Cream, which is a popular spot to have food and ice cream. Martha's Vineyard, which is a great evening lounge space. And Beach Club Marketplace for a good quick service option. All discussions of dining options available here would be remiss to not mention all of the other nearby options you can get to within just a few minutes of walking. At the Yacht Club, you'll have easy access to Ale and Compass, as well as Yachtsman Steakhouse. And then you'll have all the options available nearby at the Swan, Dolphin, and Boardwalk areas, just a few minutes walking away. Let's head inside one of the rooms to check out how that looks. Most of the rooms here have either 2 queen beds or 2 queen beds with a day bed and accommodate up to 5 people. Make sure you make a request for a day bed if you'd like one of those for your trip. There is plenty of storage in the space, 2 sinks in the bathroom with a door that separates the sink and toilet areas. Some of the rooms here also have balconies, and these balconies are either Queen Anne style balconies, which are standing only, or full balconies. Be sure to request a balcony if you would want one in your room. Outside of the queen bedrooms, there's also a room option with a king bed and a limited number of suites available as well. There are various room views that can be booked, and they include Standard View, Garden View, Woods View, and Water View. Guests staying at the Beach Club Resort can also book the club level option, which gives you access to the club level lounge, a concierge desk, turn down service, and a few other perks that come along with it. Guests of the Beach Club Resort looking for things to do will find plenty of options, but the main star here is going to be Stormalong Bay, which is widely considered the best pool at Walt Disney World resorts. It is 3 acres of fun, including a sandy bottom pool, a lazy river, a big 230 feet shipwreck slide, and whirlpool spas. There's also an area great for young children that includes a 0 entry gentle slope and a little slide of their own. You can also rent a cabana here if you would like, which provides you a cast member that can help you with food and drinks, a ceiling fan to keep cool, nicer furniture, charging ports, a mini fridge, etc. There are a limited number of these available, so you can call to book if you would like one during your trip. In addition to the main pool, there's also a quiet pool here, as well as one over at the Yacht Club that you can use. Outside of the pools, you'll find other things to do by checking the resort's recreation schedule. Let's talk transportation, which is one of the biggest selling points here because you can walk to 2 parks. From the Beach Club, it is about a 5 to 10 minute walk to Epcot's International Gateway entrance and about 15 to 20 minutes to walk to Hollywood Studios. You can also opt to take a boat to either of those parks if you would like. And since the Epcot Skyliner station is located right at the International Gateway of Epcot, you will have a very easy access to use it to take it either to Hollywood Studios or to the connected resorts, which include Riviera Resort, Caribbean Beach Resort, Pop Century, and Art of Animation. For other destinations like Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, and Disney Springs, you will have Disney buses to take you there. Sometimes these buses are shared with the other Epcot area resorts. People with their own cars can self-park for $25 a night, and valet is available for $33. You can also walk to the other nearby resorts, giving you easy access to even more restaurants. As for our thoughts on this resort, we love that the location is just a 5 to 10 minute walk to Epcot and the Boardwalk area, that you can take a boat ride or walk to Hollywood Studios, that you're really close to the Disney Skyliner station. Stormalong Bay is the best on-site pool, and some of the rooms have balconies. On the downside, it does sometimes share buses with a few other resorts, which can mean longer bus rides coming and going. It is a pretty ideal resort for families who want easy access to Epcot and have a deluxe resort in the budget.